If you want to change your borrowing text from this to this, then follow my steps. First, open After Effects, choose the composition. I use 1080 by 1080. You can use that for a TikTok edit. Add your text. Now after that, go to Effects and Presets and search for Bevel Alpha. Drag it onto your text and keep the settings the same. Then search for Deep Glow. Drag it onto your text, and lastly search for Drop Shadow. Change the radius of the Deep Glow to 500 and exposure from 1 to 0.45. Change the opacity of the drop shadow from 50% to 100 and softness from 0 to around 110. After that, press Ctrl plus D. It will duplicate the drop shadow and then repeat the same. There has to be 3 drop shadows, and simple as that. This is how you get text like me.